second early bird draw, the Father's Day special. Sales have been going great. We're thinking we're more than 3/5 of the way there. Everyone's excited about Mopar Fest. Our schedules are made, so everyone will know what they're doing. The weekend is set to go in August. Lots of selling time between now and then, but most importantly tonight, let's pick a $500 winner out and make someone happy.
Okay.
President, dig deep, buddy.
Dig deep, mix it around. Okay.
Dean Barclay.
Way up there.
Hi, is this Dean? Yeah, Dean, it's Graham Wallbank from the Hamburg Optimists Club. From the Hamburg Optimists Club. Yeah, hey, I just want to let you know that you're the recipient of the early bird $500 draw. And we will get that off to you shortly. Okay, and your ticket will